Hello everyone, I am Om, and in this video I am going to discuss with you that is flying drones in India legal, and if yes, then what are the requirements and what are the rules which you must follow before flying drones in India. So this video is going to be very short and simple, so without wasting any time, let's get started to the video. So according to the India's Civil Aviation Authority, flying drones in India is completely legal. India's General Director of Civil Aviation announced India's first civil aviation requirements on 27th August 2018. Now, according to these requirements, the drones are being divided into different categories according to their weights. So there are mainly 5 categories: nano, micro, small, medium and large. The nano drones are below 250 grams. The micro drones are from 250 grams to 2 kgs. The small drones are from 2 kgs to 25 kgs. The medium drones are from 250 kgs to 150 kgs. And the large drones are about 150 kgs. Now we are going to discuss some of the general rules which you must follow while flying a drone. Now the first one is all the drones above nano category, which means that the drones which weighs more than 250 grams must be registered and must have the unique identification number. While you are flying the drone must be always in your eyesight, which means that when you try to fly a drone, you should always be able to see the drone and you should never take the drone above your visual eye of sight. The third one is that you should never fly a drone above 400 feet. The last one, which is the general rule, that you must never fly your drone in no-fly zone, which includes areas near the hospitals, areas near the military locations, areas near the international borders, and areas near strategic locations of the country. In India, in some regions, there is no permission, no fly zones, which means that before flying drones in that specific location, you will have to take the permission of the government from your mobile app. If the government grants your permission, then you will be able to fly drone in that area. But if they reject your permission, then you simply will not be able to fly your drone because your software will not allow you to fly the drone because the government has not given you the permission to fly the drone in that area. So in this video, I told you rules which are used for personal use. For example, if you are flying a drone for your personal use, then these are some of the rules which you must follow, and there are less restriction for personal use. But there are more restrictions if you want to fly your drones for commercial purposes. If you want me to make a video on that, then do comment down below. If you found this video helpful, then do hit the like button. If you have any questions regarding it, then do comment down below and I will try to answer them, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.